Sitapur, a small village somewhere in India. The 1250 residents of this village makes their living almost entirely by farming. Times are hard in this village. Many of the villagers are burdened with debts and every year their fields produce less than they did before.
Ramu, I had no other option but to mortgage my land.
Mohan, mortgaging your land with the moneylender Nathu is the same as writing it off.
Ram Ram brother, if you don't mind, can I sit here and share some time with you?
Who are you? You don't look familiar.
Jai Singh, I am Kishan Lalji's nephew, staying with them. I am actually from Alipur.
Oh, okay. Please come and sit with us. Tell me, is the situation of Alipur the same as here? Over here, things are really going from bad to worse. Expensive seeds, expensive fertilizers, a real scarcity of water and the vagaries of weather. We just don't get the results we expect of our hard work. On top of all this, we have to struggle with the pest as well. It seems futile to sprinkle the most expensive pesticides when they don't control the pest problem. What a small farmer can do, I don't understand.
And on top of all this, we have to deal with Nathu the moneylenders as well. He has control on so many of our lands. Every year we run into losses and are unable to pay Nathu's debt.
Friends, sometimes back things were the same in my village too. But then I met Jitu and Apsa80.
Apsa80? Is that a fertilizer?
No, it's not a fertilizer nor a pesticide. In a nutshell, Apsa80 is a multi-purpose beneficial spray that blends with and increases the efficacy of pesticides, fungicides, weedicides and foliar fertilizers. As a result, it controls and prevents the insect, weeding and diseases which is spread on the crop, fruits and vegetables. As a result, we get better pest control and great crop yields.
Big talk, but no results.
Ramu, even I used to think like that, but not anymore. Apsa80 is a very good product from Amway. Amway is world famous for its products, both in terms of quality and efficiency.
Listen, I am not going to believe you so easily. We farmers use only well-known products from certified and registered farming research institutes. Do you have any proof of Apsa80's results?
Ramu, in the past few decades, more than 70 universities and agricultural institutes worldwide have tested Apsa80 on a wide variety of crops with different insecticides under various lands and wealth conditions. And the amazing thing is that every time the result produced with Apsa80 has been astounding.
What about results from our own country?
Many Indian agricultural institutes and reputed universities have tested Apsa80 on different crops. Let's take a look at the result and see. When Tamil Nadu Agricultural University used Apsa80 with pesticides in the cultivation of rice, the yield increased by up to 40%. When Jawaharlal Nehru Agricultural University used Apsa80 with weedicide in the cultivation of wheat, the yield increased by up to 18.7%. Similarly, when Bidhanchand Agricultural University used Apsa80 with pesticides, the yield of onion increased up to by 12.5%. Likewise, when many other well-known institutes and universities used Apsa80 with various crops, they obtained outstanding results.
Wow, those are really good results.
Good results imply expensive product.
Ramu, the cost is also not too high.
500 ml Apsa80 costs just 705 rupees. 1 litre the cost is 1149 rupees. And 5 litre bottle costs 4899 rupees only.
This is really expensive.
My friend, pesticides and fertilizers are already very costly. Where will I get the money to buy one more expensive product?
See friends, presently we don't really get the full benefit of the pesticides and fertilizers that we are using. But using Apsa80 would increase the efficiency of all these products and reduce our overall expense. Trust me, it's not expensive to use APSA 80. For instance, when IPFT used malathion in the cultivation of sugarcane, the yield was 592 quintal per hectare. But when they used APSA 80 with malathion, the yield increased to 644 quintals per hectare, a difference of 52 quintals per hectare. Now let's do some calculation. For sprinkling twice on 1 hectare of land, we require just 296 milliliter of APSA 80.
which costs 340 rupees. By standard government purchase rate, 52 quintal sugarcane will earn 10,920 rupees. That means on every rupee spent on APSA 80, you will get 32 rupees in return.
In the same way, when APSA 80 was used with insecticides, weedicides in the cultivation of rice, wheat and cotton, these were the results.
Similarly, when APSA 80 was used with various pesticides, fungicides, weedicides or foliar fertilizers, it was discovered that for every 1 rupee spent on APSA 80 fetches you a return of 3 to 50 rupees.
Will it work in our village?
See, APSA 80 does not depend on soil or weather. It works well in every soil type and with any crop, in any village or district.
Oh, we were so busy talking that I didn't notice how late it is. I have to go now.
Listen, can I help you?
Would you just ask or would you actually help?
I was thinking.
Would you waste all your time thinking?
Okay, let me help. Hey Ramu, you?
I just came here to find out more about APSA 80. Can this really change our fate?
See Ramu, you have to really work hard to change fate. APSA 80 can only make your crop better. But don't worry, we will surely find some way to get your land back.
But how, Jai, how? Nathu is a really cunning man.
Tell me more about Nathu. I will promise you that I will help you to get back your entire land. Ramu tells Jai that Nathu is very fond of gambling and never ever loses. Gambling is his weakness, right? Why don't we defeat him while gambling and take back your land? What do you think?
It's impossible.
Why?
He cannot be befooled.
Let's see. I'm sure there is some way.
It's very difficult.
Ramu, why don't you do one thing? Meet me at Chopal, get Munna and Mohan as well. I will see you there in a few minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Oh my god. You frighten me.
So, why are you spying on me?
Fine. I had just come here to get fodder.
Fodder? Here? Really?
Okay, tell me. What were you asking Ramu about Nathu, the moneylender?
Meena, I'm thinking about helping the villagers. But I can't seem to find a way to bring down Nathu.
You must stay away from Nathu.
See, I have already promised Ramu.
I have told you to stay away, haven't I?
Come on, don't be angry. Meena, at least listen to me.
Yes. What is it?
I was trying to explain that.
You silly boy. If you have decided to help us, why would I be angry? I was just, what do you call that? I was acting.
What were you saying?
Really? I was just acting.
Acting. Now that's an idea.
Hey, where are you going?
Jay tells his friends of his plan to disguise himself and fool Nathu. Meanwhile, Nathu, completely unaware of this happening, stepped out to make his usual collection.
Hey Kishore, so much money? From where got this? Robbing bank these days?
No, Nathuji. That wizard told me that I would receive money today. And see, my brother has sent me money order from the city.
A wizard?
Yes, it is true. The wizard told me that I will get good news today. And look, I just got a letter informing me that I am a grandfather now.
This settles the interest. Don't forget the principal. Now where is the wizard? Let me see.
Go, my child. You will get all you want.
Stop all this nonsense, you dissembler.
Dissembler? Who are you, my child?
My name is Nathu. You can fool these villagers, not me. Fooling Nathu is not only difficult, but impossible. You look like a fake to me.
A fake? Very well, my child. Tell me, how can I make you believe?
Impress me with some magic the way you impress them.
All right. Now everyone knows that water never stays on a waxy colocasia leaf. But now see the magic of Magic Priest.
Oh, how can this have happened? I don't believe you. There is some craftiness in this too. Impress me with some really big.
Nathu, I will change the life of someone in this village, right in front of you.
Now I've got him. Okay, that's a worthy challenge. If you can really change a farmer's destiny that produces a bumper crop in his field, then I too will agree that you are a mighty wizard.
Okay, I will do just that. Why don't you choose the farmer as well?
Now he is trapped. I think I will select Ramu. He is not very bright. And his land has not been producing good harvest for a while. Alright, I would like to change Ramu's life. Produce a crop like said Dhanirams on his field, then I will admit that you have won. No, please don't accept this challenge. Don't try this on my land. Every year it produces very little crop and there is not enough water too.
Don't be afraid, Ramu. Oh yes, Nathu. What I will get if I do this?
If you can do this, I will give you whatever you ask for.
Okay, then I want you to cancel all the farmers' debt and return their lands.
What? That's too much?
The bigger the magic, my child, the bigger the cost is, my child.
And what if you lose?
If I lose, then I will pay 3 times the interest these farmers owe you.
3 times? I need some time to think. I will meet you here in the evening. What should I do? If he wins, then I will lose everything. But I can never lose. Jay, are you mad? What kind of challenge is this?
Don't worry, Ramu. Let's just wait. Let's hope that Nathu accepts the challenge and comes in our trap.
But what if you lose the challenge? Who will pay this kind of money? Why?
Don't you know? Defeating Apsa is not only difficult, it is impossible. See, I had mixed Apsa in the water so that the surface tension of water was reduced.
Please explain in a simpler manner, Jay. We don't understand the technical language.
Come. Now what happened when I sprinkled the water on the leaves?
The water formed droplets which settled on the leaves like dewdrops.
Exactly. So then these droplets either dry up in the heat of the sun or blow off the leaves by the breeze. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Means that the benefit of the water droplets never fully reaches the plants.
Yes, now you have got it. The property by which these dewdrops or droplets are formed is called surface tension.
So basically this surface tension gives us tension and ruins our efforts.
You are right. But we now have the solution to the problem. Apsa 80. Apsa 80 with its 80% active ingredients break down the surface tension and facilitate absorption of water and other spray solutions.
Jay, please tell us, how APSA 80 works.
How does APSA 80 work? Come on, let me show you an experiment. For this, we need 2 cardboard pieces, 1 bottle of water and APSA 80. Now from this water bottle, drop just 2 drops of water each on the 2 cardboard pieces. See, because of the surface tension, the water forms droplet on the cardboard pieces, just like it did on the leaves. Now, on one board, we will add just 1 drop of APSA 80. See how APSA 80 spreads the drop onto the surface? Now, let's look at the experiment again. We can see that the water droplet infused with APSA 80 is completely spread out and has been absorbed by the cardboard. Now let's check the other cardboard. You can see the water is still right there. Now just tilt the cardboard. See, the water rolls off. That's what normally happens when we spray any liquid in the fields. The wind blows it away or the heat dries it up. Now with a small knife, let's scratch the surface of the cardboard with the APSA 80 infused droplet. The water is completely absorbed. This is how crops are benefited when the liquid sprayed on them are mixed with APSA 80. This means pesticides, fungicides, weedicides, chemical or organic fertilizers, any other liquid or even plain water, APSA 80 will break surface tension and thereby increase productivity.
So, since this spray is more effective, we benefit more.
And more quality means more productivity.
That's good to know.
Broadly, APSA 80 has 3 major benefits. First, it increases the efficacy of any pesticide, fungicide, chemical or organic fertilizer. It helps increase the effective control of pests, which also results in increased productivity, and it facilitates sprinkling of powder-based and oil-based substance. Second, APSA 80 increases the absorbing capacity of land, especially in area where there are less water resources. Also, it saves electricity, water and time. And third, it keeps the spray machine clean. That means we do not need to be worried about cleaning the machine. And best of all, it helps in increasing crop yield. Isn't APSA 80 really amazing?
Jay, tell me how to use APSA 80.
That I will tell you tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. Please bring a spray machine with you. And yes, make sure that Nattu doesn't know anything about this conversation. Keep it secret. Now let's go to the Chopal.
Alright, come, welcome Sarpanchji. Please come.
So Nattu, what you have decided for the challenge?
I accept your challenge, but I have a condition.
What is it?
Sarpanch Ramlalji will certify who has won the challenge.
I accept, my child. Now observe carefully. Whatever the solution be, if APSA 80 and foliar fertilizers or APSA 80 with pesticide, the directions are simple. First, add APSA 80 with water based on the manufacturer's instruction. Make the solution of pesticide, fungicide, chemical or organic fertilizers. Now for every 15 liter mixture, add just 5 milliliter APSA 80. That means roughly 1/4 of the bottle cap. Now spray the mixture on your crops as you would normally do. That's it, work is done. We can also use APSA 80 for increasing the effect of weedicides for removing weeds that grow with the main crop. Here too, for every 15 liters of mixture, add just 20 milliliter of APSA 80, which is around 1 cap full of the bottle. And then spray it as normal pesticide. You will be amazed to see the magic of APSA 80.
What is the right way to use APSA 80 while sowing seeds or during irrigation?
That's really a good question, Mohan. For 1 acre of land, we need 80 liters of water and just 160 milliliter of APSA 80. Even if you are using more than 80 liters of water, the quantity of APSA 80 remains the same, 160 milliliter. Now, spray this as normal practice for best results. And yes, for best results, spray the water and APSA 80 mixture directly on the land 12 hours before you irrigate.
How will this benefit us?
This ensures that the mixture is absorbed deeply and can then maintain moisture levels. Now your land is ready for irrigation. And one more good thing. The really great thing is that the effect of this process of spraying APSA 80 remains for 1 month. Yes, for 1 month. So even if you want to irrigate your land for more than once, you do not need to use APSA 80 again. Yes, but if you are irrigating after 4 or 6 weeks, you need to follow the whole procedure again.
That's really easy.
Yes, it is.
Means we need more water for this.
Not at all. When Dr. Balasaheb Sawant Agricultural University used Absaiti for irrigation, it was found that this process saves up to 50% more water.
I have understood.
And now we have to use this on Ramu's land. Remember one thing, we will have to work very hard. And yes, Nattu shouldn't hear anything about this. I told you, Ramu, we're gonna win this. Yes, my brother.
Absolutely, your words were true.
According to the terms of the challenge, it was decided that the wizard should ensure that Ramu's land produces a yield as good as said Dhaniram's. The results are clear for all to see. Not only Ramu's firm's yield as said Dhaniram's, but also better than Dhaniram's. It is actually much better. I am going to conclude by requesting moneylender Nathuji return all the documents of farmers' lands, terminating all the debts and mortgages.
So what do you say, Ramu? Defeating Nathu is not difficult?
It's possible!
But defeating Absaiti? It's impossible!
So, if you too want to experience the happiness and want to know more about Absaiti, then please contact your nearest Amway distributor. Your hard work will get the right direction and you will find happiness.